Tech Savvy for Seniors is back with a brand new iPhone camera workshop. Ever try to take the perfect picture, only to end up with the wrong thing in focus? Don't worry, we've all been there. With a little help, you'll be snapping sharp shots in no time. And framing? That can be a real headache. Too much ceiling, half a cattail cut off, we've seen it all. Good news? A few quick tricks from Marie, and you'll learn how to line up your shots so everything fits just right. With a steady hand and a little practice, your favorite moments, even your furry friends, look like they belong in a gallery. And lighting. Patrick knows this struggle well. One photo turns out too dark, the next one's so bright you need sunglasses. It feels impossible to get it just right, but with a couple of taps, Dawn shows him how to balance the light. And just like that, Patrick's box office shot goes from frustrating to fantastic. Join us Saturday, September 27th at 11 a.m. in the Mary D. Fisher Theater. Laugh, learn, and level up your photo game. Get your tickets at the box office today.